Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches since 1995, 23 years. Now, do I have all the answers? Oh, heck no. Anybody that tells you they're the guru or the special sauce, the mastermind, it's all nonsense. It's basically all word salad to get you to sign up for their nonsense. Let me share with you how I work smart online. Okay? Now, have I made mistakes? Oh yeah, a lot of them. But in 23 years, I've learned how to work smart. And that's the things I want to work with you and share with you how to build a Black Friday website that's going to get traffic, that's going to earn you an income. Now, I want to be very candid about something. I make absolutely no promises of anything. It's kind of like you can go to a four-year college and wait tables when you're done. So I just want to, as a disclaimer, kind of get that out of the way here. I'm not making it, this is not get rich quick. This is not snake oil. This is a real serious opportunity that I basically spent the past 2.5 years of my life putting together. I've curated these amazing niche marketing networks. And if you know anything about affiliate marketing, the first thing they do is tell you to pick a niche. Well, the most powerful niche out there is Black Friday, coming less than a month away, or actually a little bit more than a month away. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So I basically developed this network that you can basically build a complete point-and-click turnkey system, has all the premium software and all the premium tools you'll need using WordPress. Now, if you want to go out and do this yourself and search around and as to what to do and what to use and yada, 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 but I've made it so simple. So watch this. So not only do I provide you with great rock-solid training in the back end, step-by-step, you can actually write notes right on the video and search them at a later time. But I provide you something that nobody else provides. Wix doesn't do this, Weebly doesn't do it, Squarespace doesn't do it, the list goes on. In fact, WordPress.org doesn't do this. I'm going to provide you with a list of domain names. Now, I have over 14,000 domain names that I basically have bought and curated over the past many years. So as an example, if you choose to be Black Friday's that website, that's going to be a subdomain. So I would suggest doing your brand.blackfridays that website, or your name.blackfriday.boutique. But again, this is going to help to get you in the search engines, because having a keyword-rich domain name is certainly more valuable than having like blah, 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 blah.com. So what you do, you come in here, and I will show you how easy it is to sign up. So you click sign up, you put your username and your password, you put the name of your site. Now this information you can't change. So if you're going to be like superdeal.blackfriday.click or superdeal.blackfridaydeals.holiday, whatever you want it to be, that you can't change. So that's kind of carved in stone. So if you're not sure what you're doing, then make sure you spell check and everything else. Now, the information in your site title, of course, that can be changed. Okay, that's basically for search engine optimization. That's the title that appears in your web browser. So that can be changed, but this information can't be changed. So it's really this simple. So you put in your information, and this is your next step. After you make your payment, this is what you'll be entitled to. So literally seconds after making payment, your site will look like this as the front end. Now, I use Thrive Architect, which is a premium plugin that you're entitled to. You'll get tons of premium software with your purchase. I pulled out all the stops. I have agency licensing for all the software, all the premium software. So what you would do, you'd log into your site and you can make changes. So the first change you want to make is, I chose to go with betterdeals.blackfridayshopping.site. Now, one thing you can't do, you cannot use trademark names. Don't use Amazon, don't use Best Buy, don't use Target. In fact, don't be cute and try to misspell it, because that's a recipe for disaster. It's going to get you banned, and that's not good. So the first thing we would need to do is I go into say that 5 times fast, Thrive Architect. I'm going to click into here, and I'm going to make changes to the site. Now the changes I could make is I could change the video, I could change whatever I want. It's completely turnkey. The site, how it looks, is totally up to you. Now, one of the things we need to do, I'm not going to change the video. I get my videos from videoblocks.com. Unfortunately, they do not have an affiliate program, but you can put your own video in there, holiday video. Just take your iPhone and shoot a nice video. It's really that simple. So if I click right here, one thing I do need to do, I need to change this to get started, because this needs to go to your website, not the site that it came from the template. So you simply link it to your page. I hit OK. And again, this is Theme Architect, Thrive Theme Architect, and I have back-end videos to help and assist you. Now, you're really going to like my system because I've curated this amazing, I built this plugin about 6 years ago. You can watch the videos right inside your WordPress admin, which is really very valuable because it keeps you inside of WordPress step by step. More importantly, as you'll experience in just a second, you can actually take notes right on the video itself. You can search, you can curate, all kinds of stuff. So let's go into the site and share the experience. Again, this is the site that will be built. Now, of course, this is going to look like everybody else's site to begin with, but then you're going to make changes, and it's really simple to make changes if you don't want to have these different menus, etc. Now, here's what I want to share with you. You might say to yourself, wait a second, Black Friday, why am I seeing this like recipe and snack and stuff like that? Well, let me share with you a very valuable piece of information. This is how you drive traffic. The number 2 search engine is YouTube, not even close to Yahoo or Bing. In fact, if YouTube was New York City geographically, Bing and Yahoo are like the South Pole. That's how far away they are. YouTube's the number 2 search engine. Now, why the heck would I put a recipe on the front page of my Black Friday website? Well, that's what's going to engage people to come there. So what I want to share with you, which is a very valuable technique that I've been using for years and years and years. In fact, I gave a seminar in Phuket, Thailand last year to a bunch of marketers. And the first thing I said to them was, stop selling. And they looked at me like I had 2 heads. Start engaging your viewers. Start offering value. So don't post a sale for a iPad or a computer. Hey, it's been done before. How about a review for the best computers, the best laptops, a cooking recipe, a do-it-yourself remodeling video? That's how you draw traffic from your social media to the website. And I will share with you, I have techniques to do this. So watch this. So if I go through the different websites here, if I go through the page here, this can be set up any way you choose it to be set up. But it's really cool. Now, you'll notice that I have something called Launch Your Own Black Friday Site. Now, if you buy a package, which I have a bundle of different websites for Black Friday, if you buy 5 or more, you automatically become one of my affiliates, which means that an easy thing to sell, and let's be candid with each other, as great as Amazon and Walmart and all those different affiliates are, don't expect you're going to be making thousands of dollars in the next day or two, okay? Even with Black Friday. But you can make a lot more money if you refer my package, give it as a gift, friends, neighbors, relatives, etc., etc. I will pay a minimum of 20%. That's another story. You don't have to have my ads on your Black Friday site. In fact, if you already have a business, what better way to promote and get traffic to your Black Friday site and then put your banner ad here on top? Again, that's working smart. Okay, so I basically broken down everything in here. So here is reviews, holiday eats, Christmas music. Here's website info. Now I do want to keep you out of trouble, so I highly suggest you do an affiliate disclaimer, a privacy policy, and a contact page. Those are things that Google likes a lot, especially if you're going to run AdSense. So if I come down here, you will see that this site is filled with a lot of cool stuff. And again, this is pre-built for you, but I highly suggest that you don't do a off-the-shelf website because it's going to look like everybody else's website. Now, to addendum that statement, I do have Spinner software. So if you have to curate something from Amazon or YouTube in particular, you could spin the content so it's not the same content as everybody else's. But let me share with you how simple it is to bring in your own content. So I simply go into the back end here, and I'm using a plugin. I have many plugins available, but one of my favorite plugins is WP Automatic. So here I am inside of WP Automatic, and you'll notice that I have different campaigns. As an example, here's a YouTube campaign. These are in different categories, etc., etc., etc. Here's a YouTube recipe campaign, etc., etc. Here's Amazon campaigns. You can hook up any affiliate that you want that WP Automatic supports, but I also have other plugins for Walmart, Best Buy. Again, I have tons of premium plugins to help and assist you every step of the way. So let's say as an example that for holiday recipes here, let's just go to this for a second. I just want to share this with you. So I'm going to go to holiday recipes. You know what? I want to bring my own holiday recipes. I don't want to use the stuff that came with the site. So here's how easy it is to do. I come down here and I delete all posts, and that's going to delete all the posts that were part of that category. Now, if you want to use these same keywords to curate new information, or you can change them. It's really that simple. Now, the other thing I suggest you do is I'm going to come up here and I want to curate new holiday recipes every 6 hours and update them. So keep in mind right now that I've deleted the holiday recipe curation from YouTube. So now if I simply click right here, this is going to bring in new holiday recipes for me one step at a time. So again, your site doesn't have to look and have the same content as everybody else. In fact, I highly suggest you do diligence and not have the same content as everybody else. But again, it's really simple. Okay, I have a student that's 104 years old. Don't want to go into details. She's been with me since she was 99. Her first month with affiliate marketing, she made 35 bucks. Okay, but she never gave up. She now makes $2,000 a month, and she works about 5-6 hours a week. The woman is 104 years old. Okay, so I'm going to click here a few times and just bring this content in. From here on in, every 6 hours, it's going to bring in new content. So if I click right here, this is going to share with you and show you that information. So this is just working smart. Now here's something you're really going to get a kick out of. So here's something you'll get a kick out of. I decided to change the, I thought this is a little bit more enticing. So this is really cool. So right from your, and I want to share a concept with you here before we go any further. Okay, we all do this. We post things on our Facebook page or Instagram page or whatever, and typically we grab things from YouTube. Well, the problem with that is, yeah, it's engaging and our friends like it and everything. You know, we're going to share a John Coltrane or Miles Davis video or Lady Gaga. Okay, but here's the problem with that. Okay, you post it on your Facebook page, and how does it help you? How does it benefit you? Does it drive traffic to your website? No. My technique does. So watch. So now, here's the chain of command here. You curate the same content that you're going to curate to your Facebook page, except you curate that to your website, your keyword-rich, marketable website. In this particular case, Black Friday. And then you basically post that recipe, that how-to video, that, you know, let's get the best buy on Paris hotels, whatever you're going to do. And what I do is I engage it. I basically do an engaging question. So as an example, I don't want to have you sit there and watch me do two-figure typing, but it says, do you have your own holiday recipe? So if I click post right here, that's going to post to my Facebook page, or I can post to my business Facebook page, or I can post to a friend's Facebook page, whatever. Okay, but here's what you're not thinking about. When the person now clicks on this post, it's not going to go to YouTube or somebody else's website. It's going to go to your website. It's going to go to betterdeals.blackfriday.site, which is a site that I just set up. So that is working smart, and that's what you're not considering. Okay, so again, I want to share something with you. I pulled out all the stops. Again, I've been doing this for 23 years. I've made mistakes. I pulled my hair at 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you're serious about having an opportunity, and that's the key word, opportunity to learn and earn online with Black Friday. Now, here's something else I want to share with you, which you're really going to get a kick out of. Okay, I've worked really hard on this. I basically spent the past 2.5 years of my life curating these amazing networks. And one of the networks that I've curated are these 5 niche marketing Black Friday related websites. Now, what you'll get for my package price, because it is Black Friday, by the way, is you're going to get a Black Friday curated website, Christmas website, toy store, holiday, and weight loss. Weight loss, what does weight loss have to do with Black Friday? Well, what are people going to be doing after the Christmas holiday season? They're going to be making New Year's resolutions. They're going to be working out. They want to do fitness, workouts, how to lose weight, etc., etc. So in addition to getting a bundle of these 5 websites that are all related to Black Friday and holiday shopping, you're then going to have these bonus websites. Now, what does coffee and news and online shopping and music and all this have to do with Black Friday? Well, again, you're not working smart. You're not thinking about this intuitively. Okay, so here's something I want to share with you. What do most people search for on the internet? And I'm not talking about that, so get your mind out of the gutter. Okay, most people search for music, news. Now, what's the #1 product that people usually buy online? And basically, it's a drug. It's called caffeine, and it's called coffee. So I have a coffee news network website that's curated with tons. I probably have close to 200 coffee news-related domain names you'll have access to. Like I said, I have 14,000 domain names. Okay, so I have the online recipe network, the music. In fact, let me show you this website. I'm pretty proud of. I'm proud of all my websites, but look at this website. So if I click right here, this is going to take me to my music website. Now, this is something we're all guilty of doing. I do myself. Okay, we post a John Coltrane video, or a Lady Gaga video, or a Miles Davis video. So this is, again, completely turnkey. Okay, so if you click into here, these sites are built in a matter of seconds, and then you can add your own content or your own whatever you want to do. So if I come into here and I say, okay, I want to post this on my YouTube channel, or my Facebook channel. Now you'll notice that I happen to have an all train category because I'm a big fan of John Coltrane. In fact, I know his son Robbie pretty well. So again, this is working smart. So route or curate that link from YouTube. Hey, these videos came from YouTube, but I curate it to my website that I have control over, or in your particular case, you have control. And this, again, is working smart. So if I click right here, this is going to go to that post, and then I can choose to put this on my Facebook page. Okay, so just like that, I can do exactly what I've been doing before. You've been grabbing things from YouTube, but grab things from YouTube based on keywords, right to your website, engage with people to build the traffic. The #1 traffic building keyword search out there is YouTube. YouTube's the #2 search engine. Video draws traffic, so that's working smart. That's riding the coattails of YouTube. So that's my whole system. That's how it works. So I would say, hey, do you have a favorite John Coltrane tune, et cetera, et cetera. But what happens when they click on this to watch the video, it goes back to your website. And then once you're on your website, hey, sell them a cup of coffee. Sell them a John Coltrane album. You know, engage with them. But more importantly, as I said before, stop selling. Start engaging with people. Engage with recipes, renovation videos, trips to China videos, things that are going to help people to engage with you, engage with your website. Because if you do all this sale, hey, everybody wants to sell somebody something, right? But nobody wants to respond to sales. In fact, the people at Facebook really don't want you selling their customers. They want you to offer value. And it's exactly what my websites do. So definitely take advantage of my opportunity. There's a link at the bottom. If you have any questions, in fact, let me be very candid with you about something. If you're in a position that you can't really afford my bundle prices, that's fine. For a nominal fee, I will provide training of how to do this, and for an extra $1, I will give you your own affiliate marketing website for $1. I mean, how can you lose? Well, you can lose. You can lose the $1. So thanks again for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. Nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Carpe diem 2018.